The Experiential Network is a chance for Northeastern students to connect with partner companies to tackle real-world challenges in a professional setting. Students will apply their skills to solve problems for our partner organizations in a way that's impossible to simulate with a usual textbook project. These experiences not only contextualize classroom learning, but also serve as a valuable stepping stone from the classroom to work.
We partner with companies across the private and public sector, including startups, nonprofits, mature firms, and state organizations. These can sometimes be smaller organizations that don't have significant IT or analytics resources in-house, growth stage companies that are starting to generate large volumes of data, or enterprise corporations that are interested in attracting entry-level talent.
XN success is largely determined by how much impact our student can make on our sponsor's business. So the sponsor's satisfaction through their positive feedback and high remarks are one indication. We would also look for student demonstration of significant learning outcomes, including new technical skills, improved analytical management, and communication skills. Students would report how these increased skills help them to be very confident in job interviews.
Our students live all over the country and often all over the world. XN projects are often remote, so physical location doesn't preclude partnering with companies around the globe. Part of the project management process of our XN efforts is in establishing appropriate virtual collaboration tools so that the team and the organization can work together to create the final deliverables.
Getting experience while applying your studies to real-world cases, that will be the core of your education at Northeastern's College of Professional Studies. Internalize all of that, take it home, and make the most out of it for your successful career as a graduate and employee. That is experiential learning at Northeastern's College of Professional Studies.